Hello guys, this is Joyce and I am here with a new unboxing of my newest In Love art shop products. I only got a few things this time around. I got some words. Let's see. Okay, hello winter words dies. So I have 3 dies that are words. And I got a thankful, which is this one. I got a hello winter, which is that one. And then I got a grateful. So you will be seeing these really soon. And then I got some stamps. You know, my collection really didn't need any stamps, but these were some Christmas stamps, and they say, "We wish you a very Merry Christmas and amazing New Year. May peace and love be your gift at Christmas always. May Christmas bring you joy and happiness. May the joy and warmth of Christmas fill your home with happiness. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays." And then I got these seams, okay? I thought they were really interesting. And I thought these would be great on the front of some cards. So you will be seeing these really soon. I don't know if you can really see them, but they are some, look like island seams, okay? And this one has a cabin on it. And then this one just looks like a beach. So I am going to be playing with these. And this one has, the top one has a mountain. So I wanted to do something a little different this time around instead of all dies. So I am going to be playing around with these. And like I said, I've got a project for a friend I'm going to be doing. And these will be the perfect size for her Christmas tags. So, you know, I got to get those done because her birthday is coming up. And I always make her Christmas tags no matter what else I do. And I just thought the size of these stamps would be perfect to go on her tags. So stay tuned for that. And then I got this dies, 2 dies. And they are called the Crown Lace Floral Decor die. So guys, stay tuned. I got an idea for these also. And they're like on the edge dies. We'll see. So I am going to be playing with these really soon. So stay tuned. I will have a link to all of my products down in the box below this. I know it's been a while, and this order has been sitting here just because I just haven't had the time to get the videos done or to even play with these things. So stay tuned, and I will be back with the In Love Art Shop creations. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will be back. Bye.